Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Tiamige mulungu watu watikazika pamozi amuleza chitiri na wawa pamozi amalawi dikwirizane leo pamozi bono dikwirizane leo pamozi wela dikwirizane leo pamozi babadi dikwirizane leo pamozi Tiamige mulungu watu watikazika pamozi. Tiamige mulungu watu watikazika pamozi. Malawi dikwirizane leo pamozi. Yose dikwirizane leo pamozi. Malawi dikwirizane leo pamozi. Tiamige mulungu watu watikazika pamozi. Tiamige mulungu watu watikazika pamozi. Salamu alaikum Malawi tendele tendele kama inose tendele ukale kwa inu. Salamu alaikum Malawi tendele tendele kama inose tendele ukale kwa inu. Tendele tendele ukale kwa inu ndose tendele ukale kwa inu. Tendele tendele ukale kwa inu ndose tendele ukale kwa inu. Salamu alaikum Malawi tendele ukale kwa inu.
Lilongwe Peace Declaration, LPD, embracing our political diversity with commitment to peace and tolerance. We, the presidential candidates in the September 16, 2025 general elections, having participated in the National Day of Prayers for Signing of Peace Declaration convened by the Public Affairs Committee PAC on 8 September 2025 at Bingu International Convention Center, BICC in Lilongwe, in order to engage us in ensuring both peaceful democratic elections and a political process thereafter that serves the national good, reaffirming our commitment to the national agenda for peace and as directed by the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi in Section 13, subsection 1, on peaceful settlements of disputes and Section 40, subsection 1C on political rights, acknowledging our obligation as leaders to work tirelessly within our political parties to eliminate cases of electoral violence before, during, and after elections, desirous of entering into a dialogue and mediation should any part of the elections be contested, dedicate ourselves to putting an end to the polarization, divisions, conflict, and intolerance that have characterized our country's politics, determined to build a society free of violence, fear, intimidation, hate, patronage, corruption, and founded on justice, fairness, openness, transparency, dignity, and equality, recognizing the centrality and importance of our roles and that of our political parties in providing firm leadership to the impartial enforcement of the existing electoral laws by the state institutions and promote our members' compliance with the code of conduct that we endorsed, and a shared commitment to inclusive governance, partnership, and conflict prevention in the aftermath of elections. Committed to the importance of sustaining Malawi's proud reputation of being a God-fearing, peaceful, democratic nation, declare as follows. Number 1, that it is imperative to adopt a resolute, united position against the potential of electoral violence, impunity, and injustice in our cherished Malawi, as such actions undermine the peace, welfare, and ongoing development of the Malawian populace. 2, that ahead of and immediately following the general elections on 16 September 2025, we shall forcefully and publicly speak out against all acts of elections-related violence, impunity, and injustice, and will seek to collaborate with the Malawi Police Service and allied law enforcement agencies to professionally discharge their duties without fear or favor. 3, that we shall conduct our political campaigns in such a manner that enables the police or other security agencies to perform their roles and duties in enforcing and maintaining law and order, and we will not be hindered whatsoever, whether at the polling station, constituency, community, district, regional, or national level in carrying out their constitutional mandates. 4, that we pledge to hold ourselves mutually accountable as peers, especially in promoting effective political leadership of the campaign against electoral violence, impunity, and injustice. In this regard, we commit not to block booking of venues of other political parties and respect the rule of first come, first served principle. We also commit not to hold political rallies in proximity with the venue of other rallies. 5, that electoral violence, impunity, and injustice are challenges which can be effectively addressed through our mutually reinforcing collective leadership efforts. Therefore, we commit ourselves to leading a national process of reducing their occurrences in the short term, aiming to systematically eradicate them in the medium to long term. In concrete terms, we commit to do issue-based campaigns and avoid using derogatory language when reflecting on rival parties and candidates. 6, we further commit ourselves to encourage our supporters and agents towards political tolerance and embrace coexistence in the areas of our campaigns. We should be issue-based and committed to avoid personality attacks. In this regard, we shall not deploy youth wings or hired thugs to cause political violence, as well as not to cover or overshadow or eclipse promotional materials of others at the same place. 7, on election day, we commit not to harass monitors of other parties and not to continue campaigning during polling. We commit to adhere to the Electoral Code of Conduct and not to campaign during the prohibited period. We also commit to take care of our party monitors on election day. And number 8, which is the final one. Finally, on the very important component of the announcement of results and the outcomes of the elections, we commit that we will not declare that our candidates have won the elections before the official announcement of the results by the Electoral Management Body, adopted in Lilongwe by all political parties here present on 8 September 2025. I thank you.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.